Kani kadai ka Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Ki office trekam jong ki deputy commissioner jong ki khatwai tali ka district ka jilla. Ringkat ka jing trelang bat ka office trekam jong chairman jong ka district disaster management authority. Lasai kasngi kalai poi trek mentau bana risau arajar kat pra ken sa ai ka jing hikai ka bakar pang sing pai ba nok snang ka jilla. Komno banyada ye ki para breu habawanan shop ujumai ha ka nugo por. Katkum ka jing thu jong additional chief secretary ka jilla UPW ingti ha ka jing kran bar kinong pathai ka bor henne kasngi ka lai potrek mentau bana risau arajar kat pra. Ulai thu bayakani ka jing aji hikai an pelong hapo madan pulo Shillong ha ka por khatwai beje mestem. Hakaba onisim mentalang de kipulen jongka National Disaster Response Force kisipai khando bat kisipai katna lingsoin kiban sapani kipai ba ye kirukom aje rap ikibrio ki bamansau habawan dan shop ki bor kamaryang hakano gono kapor khamtam ujumai.
Whatever services we provided in case of a crisis for people, all services are taken care by one or the other department of the government, and they are all organized under the incident response system. We also insist on due coordination with the central government forces, that is the Indian Armed Forces, the paramilitary forces and the NDRF. The basic role of disaster management as per DM Act is that of state government. The central government will give all the help possible in all sort to help, and in response, as you all know, we have very specialized, well-trained NDRF created in the country. Initially there were 6 battalions, then 8 or 12 battalions placed geographically all over the country. We have a battalion in Arunachal, we have a battalion in Guwahati, and they are responsible for Northeast. So in case of any crisis, they will respond, which you as members of media know very well, because they are already on ground and they have done excellent service in the interest of the people and the interest of the nation. So we also insist on due coordination with armed forces and Indian Air Force, which is one of the main resource for distress and stress. They come at minutes notice and they're seen everywhere. But just to highlight that all this happens with lot of training, lot of discipline, lot of planning, which we are insisting, and that coordination should happen between the state administration and the forces which are supposed to have a response. One is their own forces, and second is forces come from outside. The whole intention is to enhanced preparedness for response. So in stage 2, we did a tabletop exercise today, which is a kind of a dry run of situations which will happen in case of a major earthquake in Meghalaya in particular and Northeast in general. So you know, when earthquake strikes, there some roads will break, power will not be there, mobile towers will go, some hospitals will be damaged, there will be a lot of casualties, there will be injured, there will be dead. So every department will have to play a role and rise to an occasion.